Beginning blending, syllables. Blending syllables means putting the parts of a word together to say the whole word. For example, when we hear sun and shine, we blend them together to make sunshine. We are going to go from simple to more complex blending. Let's get started. Put these sounds together. Tooth, brush. Toothbrush. Moon, light. Moonlight. Star, fish. Starfish. Rain, bow. Rainbow. Dough, nut. Donut. Flower, flower. Rocket, rocket. Tiger, tiger. Wagon, wagon. Penguin, penguin. Let's see if you can do more syllables now. Pineapple, pineapple. Envelope, envelope. Alphabet, alphabet. Tomato, tomato. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Tornado, tornado. Umbrella, umbrella. Rectangle, rectangle. Alligator, alligator. Watermelon, watermelon. Firefighter, firefighter. Macaroni, macaroni. Thermometer, thermometer. Kindergarten, kindergarten. Incredible, incredible. You did an incredible job. Being able to put sounds together is a crucial first step in becoming a reader. Check out links below for more videos.